Conversions are recording in Google Analytics, but not in Google Ads, even though accounts are linked. Any ideas? So I presume that that conversion came through Google Ads. There will be a lag by the time the conversions come through into Google Ads, and trying to match Google Ads and analytics is is never going to happen. There will always be some discrepancy. It's good that you linked analytics and ads, and you're importing those analytics goals or events in Google Ads. What you don't want to do is double count. So anything which is coming through Google Analytics, in the good old days before, we used to not include in the conversion column. Now it has become primary and secondary. So the analytics ones, we can keep it as secondary, and the Google Ads one as primary, because the Google Ads, um, the tag or the algorithm looks at the Google Ads data a lot more, and it's going to see the conversion tracking. So you must put that tracking and the tags in for Google Ads to optimize your campaigns. But other marketers will say differently, that, oh, we only use Google Analytics, each to their own. But that's what we do. We we go with the Google Ads conversion data, which I believe is more accurate than analytics.